Hi, my name is Lily. Hi, my name is Lily.
Nice to meet you, Lily. I'm James.
We are walking together today.
This garden looks beautiful.
Yes, this place is peaceful.
I really like the fresh air here. Lily, look at this flower. Lily, look at this flower.
Wow, it is so pretty.
Look at that butterfly. Look at that butterfly.
It is flying so nicely.
I like this garden a lot. I like this garden a lot.
Me too. It feels calm here. I'm happy we came here today.
Me too. I always enjoy spending time with you.
The sunset is beautiful.
Yes, but your smile is even brighter.
That's so sweet of you.
I'm just telling the truth.
I feel very relaxed with you.
I feel the same way, Lily.
I wish this moment could last longer.
Me too. I love moments like this.
The sky looks amazing today.
It does. It makes this evening feel magical.
I'm glad we are together.
So am I. You make every day better.
This is one of my favorite days.
Mine too. I'll always remember it.
Oh no, it's starting to rain.
That's good. The rain came so suddenly.
The rain sounds so peaceful.
Yes. Rainy days feel peaceful to me.
Listen to the rain.
It's a beautiful sound.
The garden looks different now.
Yes. Everything looks fresh and clean.
Look at those flowers.
The raindrops make them shine.
They look so pretty.
Just like you.
You always say sweet things.
Only when I'm with you.
I enjoy every moment with you.
Especially when it rains.
Oh, really? Why?
Because rainy days feel special when I can spend them with you.
That's very sweet, James.
I mean every word. Everything feels magical today.
Maybe because we're together. James, can I ask you something?
Of course.
What is your favorite thing about today?
Spending time with you.
Really?
Yes. The rain, the garden, and the flowers are nice, but being with you is my favorite part.
That's very sweet.
What about you?
My favorite thing is this moment.
I'm gonna remember this day for a long time.
Thank you for being here with me.
Always.
I'm really happy right now.
So am I, Lily.
Let's come back here again someday.
I'd love that.
Even if it rains again?
Especially if it rains again.
Then it's a promise.
Yes, it's a promise. Together.
Together.